Hello, fellow traders. For the ones who never seen my videos before, I'm actually using an AI system that gives me the price and the time of the low and the high. Is it perfect? No, but so far it proved pretty accurate. Unfortunately, my emotional, master didn't allow me to do all the trades right. But here is one trade that I think it's a good one. We had the 1295 reversal point here. It touched, it failed to take it out. Then next day, took out the high of the low. Now we took two reversals out, 1345 and yesterday 1350. Today might go a little bit down, but if it doesn't go down, the next up is 15 something. Um, Again, don't take it as a advice, just educated opinion. I'm not qualified to give any financial advice. I do have a YouTube channel and a Substack channel. You can find it in my profile. All right, good luck out there.